Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to start our new lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about switching a computer on and off. And in this video we will learn about keyboard. Dear students, as you already know, a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Based on their functionality, these keys are classified into different categories: alphabet keys, number keys, cursor control keys, function keys, and some special keys. Since you already know about the alphabet and number keys, let's learn about the other keys. Cursor control keys. These keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. They are marked with arrows in 4 different directions: right, left, up, and down. These are also known as arrow keys. Cursor. Dear students, when you want to write some text, you will notice a small blinking line on the topmost left on the screen by default. This is known as the cursor. Anything you type will appear on the screen where the cursor is placed. The cursor tells the position where the text character will appear. So dear students, in this video we have learned about cursor control keys and cursor. And in next video we will learn about special keys. So watch the video carefully.